Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Just reporting in. I was able to score a full set of Cartier hubcaps. Um, all the tabs are in perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with these. I just polished these up. These were clean. Look how clean these are. All the tabs are in perfect condition. Every single one of them. A little story about these. I got a notification from a certain someone that a buddy of his had a 98 Cartier that was in his backyard and he was wanting to part it out or sell it. Um, couldn't get it to start, gave up on it. He was asking 700 for the car for picking for parts. So I immediately went by from the pictures and from the thumbnail that you guys seen. Uh, I went by, it was a maroon one, it was nice. All the hubcaps were on the wheels, all the rims were there. The interior was pretty trashed. The paint was pretty trash. Um, but it had a nice set of headlights somewhat. I mean, yeah, they're a little oxidized, but that could be cleaned up. I was able to score these hubcaps, all of them, for $60 for a whole set. This is what it looked like before. See how nasty that looks? I just cleaned up these three right here. I washed them and polished them up. But this is what they look like before, all of them. Real cloudy and hazy, dull. To this. So I spoke with the guy some more and I told him, you know what? I'd like to come back for some parts. And he's like, yeah, what are you looking for? And I told him, well, I didn't have anything in mind. I just want to do some picking. I was like, so how much are you asking for the headlights? He threw it back on me. He said, well, what's a fair price to you? The worst thing I could say is no. So I was like, well, how's $50? And he's like, sure, I could do that. So hopefully by the after Thanksgiving, I'm gonna head back to the guy's house, pick up the headlights. I would like to take that center dash trim with the Cartier clock. I'd like to take that. That's in perfect condition. Um, yeah, I hit a gold mine with this car. I hit an absolute gold mine. I have a 98 Cartier, and I'm the first person to look at it, touch it, seen it, and it was great. It worked out super great. Oh, super stoked, man, when I got all these. These are extremely hard to come by. Anybody knows about these Lincolns know these hubcaps are extremely hard to come by. You can buy just one of these on eBay for $100, and that's not even guaranteed that all the tabs are not even broken. There might be one tab broke or two tabs broke, but they be selling these hubcaps for $100 a piece. I mean, there's websites that you can go to where they sell the whole set brand new, but you're talking like $300. I'm not lying. Look it up. Go on Google and look up Cartier center caps. Lincoln Town Car Cartier center caps. And it'll pull up these design right here and you'll see. But yeah, I paid all these for $60 and it was an absolute blessing. I was so happy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I gotta clean this one up. But I'll tell you what I did use to clean these hubcaps up, and I used it in my videos plenty of times before, if you guys follow me. I use that Chemical Guys heavy duty water spot removal. It's like an orange gel. It's like a gel type of cleaning, and it took all that grime, uh, calcium buildup, all that stuff off to the beautiful mirror finish. So I gotta finish this hubcap, and then I'll have a clean set. I'm gonna put these away and pretend like I don't even have them in case something one day should happen. Well, at least I have a set standing by. But anyways, that's gonna do it, guys. Just want to bring you along pre-Thanksgiving Eve and show you what I found. You guys have a happy Thanksgiving out there. Stay safe. Keep those town cars classy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.